Yo guys, this is just going to be a quick episode. I'm not feeling too well, so make sure you smash the like button in appreciation for the effort I'm putting into this, because I have a very sore throat at the moment. But I just wanted to talk about the current trend for crypto at the moment. So I did mention that NFTs are going kind of crazy, and well, I say crazy, but they, you know what I mean. They're doing well out of the whole crypto sector. Don't know whether it's going to continue or not, but I think something for you to keep attention on are some of the following coins, and I'll give you guys a strategy that you can sort of use to potentially make decent gains, and it's something I'm going to do as well. But obviously, you need to wait for the dips. So, some of the coins or the NFT coins include Sandbox, include TVK, Axie Infinity. There's also Flow as well, but we'll go over them. And just looking at the charts here, Axie Infinity, you can see how well it's done. What you would want to look out for, let's draw a Fibonacci extension here, and from the top to the bottom here. Okay, so it's already hit this Fibonacci extension, so this target is made redundant now, but potentially if it comes back down to test these highs here, excuse me, these highs here of around $16, maybe even the 786 or around 15.5, then it might be worth picking some up, and then you can have your stop loss at this white line here, which is the 20 EMA. And when this white line breaks, I think the trend for this coin will break. It's been quite a good support level for this coin since this run in mid-June, and I think for as long as it's bullish, it will continue to hold. And from where the price is now, that is around a 20% drop. But if you get in at the levels that I mentioned, if it does go that low, then that would be roughly around a 10% drop. Maybe you could look for something like a bull flag, which it could potentially be forming now. So basically, in this scenario, if this coin goes above $19, then it would be worth considering going in. And some of the targets we could be looking at, potential target we could be looking at is just below the 0.2618 fib extension, which would be roughly at around $23 or so. Another coin is Flow. Now this isn't looking so sexy in terms of the chart, but the point still remains. At the moment, it does seem like we're forming a double top. However, it may have come back to retest as support. Looking at the stochastic, we are within a bullish wave, and there could be more room for the upside. This is on the 4 hour at least. On the 8 hour, it's more or less saying the same thing, and on the daily, it's saying that we're approaching the overbought territory, but we did have a crossover in terms of these stochastic lines, so that could indicate that we stay in a bullish zone for a while. So you could make the case that the Sandbox is also forming a bull flag. However, it is looking double toppy, but it is quite hard to say. There is some bullish momentum here. We've had the two EMA, we've had the two EMA lines spread out, and if this bullish flag is to play out, then this could go all the way up to around 65 cents or so. If we draw a quick fib from the bottom to the top of the previous swing high and swing low, then the first Fibonacci extension of some relevance, in my opinion, it lines up with the bullish target for this for the bull flag. And that's it. I would say the stop, if you were to enter, maybe wait until we break above 0.53 cent, and then have the stop maybe at the swing low. Or you could buy now and then have your stop at around 48 cents. And obviously you want to be catching the momentum for this. So this would take some time to play out, like maybe a day or a week or so. And you want to be selling. You don't want to just be holding this because you don't know how long this is going to last. But generally with crypto, these trends, they last for a decent amount of time. And NFTs are trending at the moment. So, don't sleep on them. Talking of NFTs, Playboy have actually announced their NFT beach collection. So I'm not going to read the whole article, it's quite self-explanatory, but they've actually expanded their brand, and they're now exploring the digital artwork / crypto space. And this is just one example of, you know, why NFTs are the most bullish thing in crypto right now. I don't want to talk about pre-sales because, mate, talk about PTSD. Oh, I've been stung so bad. I don't like, mate. Let me not go on about it too much. But all I have to say is fuck MTO, man. Fuck them. MicroStrategy, they actually announced that a company purchased 600 million worth of their stock, and this, I'm sure there's a deeper reason behind this purchase of the MicroStrategy stock, because Bitcoin isn't very bullish at the moment. The fact that Michael Saylor has so much Bitcoin, it makes it not easier, but he's a point of contact for companies who want to get exposure to Bitcoin. They can just do it via buying his stock. And in talking of this, so in MicroStrategy's filings, the US and Securities Commission, or the SEC, for the second quarter of 2021 confirmed or disclosed, the Capital International Investors has purchased around 1 million shares of MicroStrategy stock following the release of the SEC filing. MicroStrategy stock increased by 1.5% to a price of around $628, which 1.5%, what is that, man? Like, you get more return on your stable coins than you do on that. But hey, for traditional stock market, it's not so bad. And basically last month the firm announced it intended to raise 400 million aggregate principal amount of senior notes in a private offering, which they basically increased to 500 million. And Michael Saylor just used around 489 million of those funds raised to just buy Bitcoin. This guy doesn't dollar cost average. If he does, he just does it in large quantities. He doesn't want to buy a smaller amount every day. He will just buy a big lump sum here, there, and whenever, which is an interesting strategy. He's a smarter person than myself, so hey, respect to him. He's got the money to do it. I wish I could buy that much. To be honest, if I had that much money though, I wouldn't actually buy crypto, if that made sense. I would just do other stuff. Like, I'm trying to do crypto to make that sort of money, but anyway, maybe that's just me. But yeah, in another article here, we have that crypto ads are no longer allowed on TikTok. So I just wanted to bring this up because a couple of my friends, or one person in particular, said, oh, I should do TikTok. And although I did think about it, it's just not for me. I don't really use the platform anyway, so maybe there is a large target audience there, but I think it's the more retail moon boy, non-serious, non-research investor that just follows trends, and I CBA with that. Sorry guys, my throat is really bad. So just to read some of the article, TikTok announced on Friday that certain types of ads would no longer be allowed on the platform. Crypto-based promotional content was included amongst now verboten topics, including an article from FT Advisor on the 8th of July. So his interpretation is that TikTok are clamping down directly and indirectly on content which leads to affiliate links, for example, sign-ups to a trading platform to get free stocks, and there's many, like Bybit or whatever it is. And I think this is quite good, as bearish as it is, and as regulatory annoyance, that's not even a word, as much as this regulatory crackdown is annoying and sort of just affecting the whole crypto markets. It's good for the your non-seasoned retail investor who just buys shit coins because X person talked about it on TikTok and they think they're gonna make 1 million or 5x their money overnight. I think is just get those guys out of here. Like, the serious people who actually know about crypto invest. But hey, that's just my opinion. But yeah, that's the video, guys. I can't speak any much more because my throat is freaking killing me. At the end of the day, the main point of this video is for you to do this. Okay, go to CoinGecko, go to NFTs, you find a coin that hasn't pumped, that's looking bullish, that there's some fundamental news, not these ones, because these ones already pumped, but sorry, you find a coin and you buy it. Stick to good exchanges like Binance and maybe Uniswap if you're feeling apish, but I would not go too balls deep with these ones, because hey man, I'm sure there'll be people hunting out there to cause major pain. But yeah, let me not come up with too crazy an analogy for this video. But yeah, see you soon guys, bye bye.